Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chili achar using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 cups of fresh red chilies, a few cloves of garlic, and a small piece of ginger. For spices, have 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, and a teaspoon of turmeric ready. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of vinegar and a 1/4 cup of your preferred cooking oil, like mustard oil, to complete our pickling solution. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. Begin by washing your chilies thoroughly and patting them completely dry. Any moisture can affect the achar's shelf life. Next, carefully chop the chilies into small, uniform pieces. You can remove the seeds for less heat if you prefer. Then, mince your garlic and ginger finely. This creates a flavorful paste that will infuse beautifully into the achar. These steps are crucial for a successful and tasty pickle. It's time to cook our chili achar. Heat your oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add the mustard and fenugreek seeds, allowing them to temper until they become fragrant, which usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, carefully add your chopped chilies, minced garlic, and ginger to the pan. Stir everything well to combine. Continue to cook this mixture, stirring occasionally, until the achar thickens and all the wonderful flavors have melded together perfectly. Once your chili achar is cooked, let it cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to clean, dry glass jars. Ensure your containers are airtight to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Store your achar in a cool, dark place like a pantry where it can last for several months. It's a fantastic condiment to spice up any meal. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Remember to always use a clean, dry spoon when serving to keep your achar delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.